Imagine this: golden, crispy fries fresh from your kitchen, minus the greasy mess and lingering fried food smell. Sounds like a dream, right? Meet this Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer with OdorErase technology. A sleek, versatile appliance that's here to revolutionize how you cook. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or someone craving healthier comfort food, this air fryer delivers restaurant-quality results with a fraction of the effort. Let's dive into why this 6-in-1 wonder deserves a spot on your countertop and how it solves everyday cooking woes with style and ease. Why the Instant Vortex Plus stands out. Air fryers aren't new, but the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer takes things to the next level. From its intuitive design to its cutting-edge features, it's built to make cooking fun, fast, and foolproof. I've spent weeks putting this bad boy through its paces, crisping wings, baking desserts, even dehydrating fruit, and it's safe to say I'm hooked. Here's what makes it a must-have. 6-in-1 versatility. Air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, or dehydrate, all in one compact machine. It's like having a mini kitchen assistant that does it all. ClearCook window. No more guesswork. The see-through window and internal light let you peek at your food without losing heat, ensuring perfect results every time. OdorErase technology. Fried foods without the funky smell? Yes, please. Built-in filters trap odors, keeping your kitchen fresh and inviting. EvenCrisp technology. Get that deep-fried crunch with 95% less oil. It's a guilt-free way to enjoy your favorites, from chicken tenders to roasted veggies. Dishwasher-safe cleanup. Non-stick basket and trays make cleanup a breeze. Pop them in the dishwasher and you're done. No scrubbing required. 100+ in-app recipes. Feeling uninspired? The Instant Pot app offers a treasure trove of recipes to spark your creativity, from quick snacks to full meals. This air fryer isn't just about bells and whistles, it's about solving real kitchen problems while delivering mouth-watering results. Let's break it down further. Cooking problems. It solves. We've all been there. Soggy leftovers, oil-splattered stovetops, or dinners that take forever to prep. The Instant Vortex Plus tackles these frustrations head-on. No more soggy food. Whether it's reheating pizza or air-frying frozen fries, the EvenCrisp tech ensures a crispy exterior and tender interior every time. Goodbye. Lingering odors, frying fish or bacon. The OdorErase filters mean your kitchen won't smell like a diner for days. Time crunch? No problem. With little to no preheating, you can go from frozen to golden in minutes. Perfect for busy weeknights. Messy cleanup. Be gone. Forget scrubbing greasy pans. The non-stick dishwasher-safe basket makes post-cooking cleanup a snap. I tested it with a batch of chicken wings, usually a greasy ordeal, and not only were they perfectly crispy in under 20 minutes, but my kitchen stayed spotless and odor-free. That's a win in my book. Benefits that make it worth it. So, why invest in the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer? Here are the standout perks that make it a game changer. Healthier cooking. Same great taste. Craving fried foods but watching your oil intake? This air fryer uses 95% less oil without sacrificing that satisfying crunch. I made mozzarella sticks that tasted indulgent but didn't leave me feeling weighed down. Effortless operation for all skill levels. The touchscreen is so user-friendly, even my tech-averse mom could whip up a meal. Plus, 6 one-touch programs take the guesswork out of cooking. Space-saving design. At 6 quarts, it's big enough for a family of 4, but compact enough to fit on most countertops. It's ideal for small kitchens or anyone who hates clutter. Who's the ideal customer? This air fryer is a dream for a wide range of home cooks. Busy professionals, short on time. The quick cooking and minimal cleanup mean you can enjoy home-cooked meals without the hassle. Health-conscious foodies. Want to cut calories without cutting flavor? The low-oil cooking delivers guilt-free indulgence. Families on the go. With a 6-quart capacity, it's perfect for whipping up meals for 4 to 6 people. Think weeknight dinners or game day snacks. Beginner cooks. The intuitive controls and in-app recipes make it easy to experiment, even if you're new to the kitchen. Why now's the time to buy? The Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It saves time, cuts mess, and lets you enjoy your favorite foods without the guilt. Whether you're craving crispy wings, tender roasts, or homemade jerky, this air fryer delivers with minimal effort. Plus, with 100+ in-app recipes, you'll never run out of inspiration. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.